A panoramic sweep of London. Back in London now, enjoying the top attractions here. Enjoying the sights of London now here. Summer 2015. Loads of tourists enjoying the attraction side by side.
The London Eye, formerly Millennium Wheel, was the world's tallest Ferris wheel from 1999 when it was constructed until 2006. Towering at 453 feet or 135 meters, it was surpassed by the Star of Nanshan in Nanshan, China.
I know Mr. Big Ben. Mr. B. Okay, this is a video. We're here in London now. Okay, look at this one. Everybody's busy, busy, busy. Oh, photo bombers everywhere. Okay, there's Cynthia and Mr. B. And our guide, Aisha Jane.
Among London's must-see attractions and most iconic landmarks are the Houses of Parliament and Elizabeth Tower, commonly called Big Ben. Technically, Big Ben is the name given to the massive bell inside the clock tower. It weighs more than 13,760 kilograms. The Elizabeth Tower stands as a symbol of not only the United Kingdom but of democracy. The bells of Big Ben have been ringing for over 160 years. This despite the effects on the building of bombing during the Second World War.
Westminster Abbey, the Big Ben, side by side. And of course, the famous landmark